my name is Marley Crow, and today we're going to be doing the lab for Microbiology 214, and we are going to mix our agar solution. But first thing we are going to do is measure 4 milliliters in these glass test tubes. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 4 milliliters of water that I have in here and pour it into here. Then I'm going to mark this with a Sharpie. And I'm going to take this second test tube and pour it in there. And mark the same thing. And then we're just gonna pour this water out and let our test tubes dry. And now we're gonna make our agar solution. So what you wanna do is take half a cup of boiling water, which I have in this pot. And we're going to take this lemon jello. Pour it in there. And we're going to take a spoon and stir it all up. Now that it's all stirred up, we're going to let it sit for a minute, let it cool down just a little bit. And while that cools down, we're going to set out our plates. So now that this has cooled to slightly above room temperature, we are going to take the lids off our plates and pour just a little bit to cover the bottom in there. We're going to do that on all 6 of them. And then we're going to take our test tubes and do our slant and stab test tubes. So we're going to take this and we're going to fill it up to just at that line. See if I can do this without spilling it everywhere. Okay, and then we're going to take the lid and put it on it, and we're going to put this back in here and let it rest standing up, and that is your stab. And then for the slant, we're going to do the same thing in this one, And pour just to that line. Oops, went a little bit over. We're gonna put a lid on it and take our conical and lay it down like so. And that is our slant. And now we're just gonna leave these to cool and dry.